Hello, welcome to Christmas Kitchen. Today is a bit of a different video in that we're out of the kitchen and we're having a look at a carpet cleaner. So this unit is the Vax Dual Power Pet Advance Carpet Washer. I'll just start from the top. We've got a handle here, and then on the back you've got your power cord, and that's it really, and your two buttons on the bottom here. You've got on off and then the button to move it down. And then round the back, around the front, sorry, we've got, I'll start back at the top, we've got the handle. You're going to come down, you've got the carrying handle, so use this one to carry the unit. And then you've got your top reservoir with your cleaning agent and water, and then your bottom is the collection reservoir. And this tube here is for the accessories to pump out water, and then this is the collection nozzle for the accessories. So with the Vax Dual Power Pet Advance, we get a bit of a goodie bag with some extra pieces. Obviously we've got the instruction manual, and then we've got the a couple cleaning solutions. This is a pre-treatment, so we'd use that to treat the carpets before we actually use the cleaning solution on them. In the bag we have the head attachment for the carpets and upholstery and furniture. We have a pre-treatment squirter here, so this plugs into the unit. And then we have the hose that attaches to the head for use on the carpets, and it also plugs into the main unit itself, which I'll demonstrate in a bit. So that's the bag there, and the bag has a small hook on it too. So yeah, once everything's in, you can hook it up and hang it out of the way. With the extension tube here, this should pop open, and that will just go in, and we twist it. So that locks it. Twist it, and that will lock it in. And then we're going to grab the other nozzle, and there we go. And so that's how you would clean your carpet, or you would just use the nozzle here for the other accessory. Right, so we've got a bit of test carpet here. It's already been cleaned once, but as you can see it is still quite grubby, so we'll give it another go. We've got fresh water, or fresh cleaning agent, which is slightly warm. And then we have an empty container at the bottom. What we can do with these is twist it like so, and it should just come straight off. So cable is pretty long. So the cable's around 10 meters in length, so it should be sufficient for most households. Right, so we're going to power on the system. let's have a look to see. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So as I'm pushing back and forth, I use the trigger here to release the cleaning solution. So I do a couple passes with the solution, holding onto the trigger, and then a couple passes without. Let's do that side of the carpet now. So what we're going to do is, I think this time, release the unit first, and then wow, it's pretty dark. So we're going from that to that. It's like a pint of Guinness. So I'm going from that clear water into that one there. Whether you can tell on the carpet, I'm not too sure. I think once it dries, you'll probably be able to see a bit more. What I have done, I've just realised now, is that I should have clipped the cable in here so it doesn't get caught on the bottom. I'm going to go over this carpet again and we'll see how it does. So, release the unit, keep the cable out of the way of it. So I've almost finished the tank here, and yeah, you can really see how much is picking up. I do think the carpet's actually looking better. I'm going to go the other way now, and we'll see if there's any visible difference. Let's just do that. think that's pretty much it now. This is pretty dirty now. And the liquid, use most of it. Carpets, it's not too bad actually. It's not too damp, but it seems the unit sucks up quite a lot of the moisture. It does look a lot better actually. So here's a bit of dirt that we didn't go over compared to the bit that we did. I think it needs a lot more going over, really, doesn't it? Oh, here we go. So this side is a bit cleaner. Yeah, on that side. Definitely. But anyway, it's a very dirty carpet. That will probably be replacing soon. And yeah, we can see how much will come out of it. Very impressed with the Vax Dual Power Pet Advance. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe and all that business. Bye.